So you can see here we're having two different UI screens, which is logged in with the two different user. One is logged in as Lisa and another one is logged in as John Smith. All right. So I can able to chat with these two different users in the same room, like let's say YouTube testing or something. So let's say if I'm going to send a message like, hey there, all I have to do is to set the send option, so that will immediately send the response like what exact time I sent that message. And you can see here it's looking in a different perspective because we are the sender, and here it's looking in a different perspective because we are the receiver over there. All right, so this UI, it's completely adjustable. Even when you're opening your keyboard, this UI will completely adjust according to it. All right, so this is the live data synchronizations, which is done by using the Firestore. All right, so we're going to build this complete project completely from the ground. So let me show you what exactly that we do have on the profile screen. You can see we have this nice option over here where you can able to see the media chat and all the options. Basically these are just the placeholders for the time being right now. Maybe in the future we can able to integrate these options also in this project. All right, so if I want to create a new room, a chat room, all I have to do is to go here and create a new chat room. Let's say hello YouTube or something just like that. So click the send option, so that will create a new chat room and that will be popped up on the first list. All right, so let's jump into the authentication screen. If I want to log it out, if I click log out option, and even once I logged out, if I'm opening this app, so let me reload it. So that will directly takes you to the login screen. But in this case, if I reload this particular app, so that will takes me to the home screen because that particular user is still authenticated, so he can able to access the chat rooms whatever we created, and he can able to chat with the different persons. All right, so every time whenever you're opening it, if you authenticated for very first time, so it will not show you the login screen for every time again and again and again. So if I click here, so that will enable me to create a new registration. So all I have to do is to click here to choose the profile screens. I can able to choose the different avatar for the user, whoever is going to register in our app. So let's say David Williams or something. Why not? Then let's say David at Gmail. So we are using the email pattern analyzations over here. If that the email whatever you're typing over there which is not matches that pattern, then it will raise that error. That means it's showing the different border color and you can't able to sign up with that register that user. So all I have to type the valid email. Then if I type the password over here like sample at 123, if I want to see the password whether I write it in a perfect like as I want it, then if I click this again, it will disable that option to see the password. So once I hit the sign up option, that will save this user directly in our Firestore collection, and it will authenticate that user as the signed in user because that's the user who registered, so it will automatically authenticate that user. So again, if I refresh the screen, it will directly takes us to the home screen where I can able to see all the available chat rooms. Okay, then I can immediately jump into there and I can say hi there or something. Click this, so that will send that message to that particular screen right there. Look at that, that's the new screen which I'll be created over there. Okay, so this is what exactly we're going to build by using the Expo CLI and the Firestore collections, and I hope you guys are so excited about this project. So without wasting your time, let's jump into the video.